yung dalawa. Ayan yung dalawa. Ayan yung dalawa. Ayan, ocean po ito hindi po lake or river. Ayan. Dito kami. Ayan. Maalat ito. Ayan, nandun yung asawa ko. Ayan. Victoria, you know how to swim than Ate Maika?
Yeah, but that doesn't mean it's yeah, it's cold.
Okay, let's go. A little bit cold, the water.
Naglamig. So, no, wait. Oh my God. You wanna pause? Pause and wait.
Come on, napudot to damdama. Come on. Ayan yung dalawa, oh. Ayan. Ando naman yung asawa ko. Oh, ocean. It's salty, the water. Yay. Yeah, look at that. Ang daming tao. Ang daming tao. Okay, one more. Yeah, it's getting warmer. It's getting warmer. Ayan, ang daming tao. Ayan, nandito kami sa ocean. Dito sa dito sa Prince Edward Island. Ayan po. Ito po yung ocean dito. Ayan. Maalat yung tubig. Maalat. Ayan. Ang lamig ang tubig, grabe. Grabe, malamig, masyadong malamig. Pero pag tumatagal, medyo naman na, umiinit. Ayan. Ocean na po dito, ocean na. Hi. Honey, tell that this is not a lake or river. This is ocean now.
The Atlantic Ocean on the north side of Prince Edward Island. If you go north of here, you hit Newfoundland. You go north of there, you hit Santa Claus.
Kaya malamig yung tubig.
200 kilometers that way, icebergs.
Iceberg.
Polar bears.
Kaya malamig yung tubig, may mga pa, nabubuo na ice pa. Ayan. Itong dalawa, oh. Say hi to everyone. Hi to my YouTube and my YouTube. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Dito kami sa Prince Edward. Okay, Victoria. Victoria, you have to remember, this is not lake. This is Ate Maika, say hi to everyone in Philippines. Hi everyone. Say hi to Mama and Daddy. Hi. To everyone in Philippines. Hi. Ayan. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, one more.